So today I'm playing Play the Facility. You are a survivor. Okay, I'm survivor. And survivor. Okay. So yeah, what's with my avatar?
Brother,
Do I even fit in the closet? Oh yeah, actually not the closet. I actually don't know, but that just okay.
That you had you could you want you
Laggy or maybe not loading good. So fast. Somebody let me help. Let me save them. Hopefully I don't capture myself.
oh no. I hit my leg on the Voda Kata thing.
Amber is heading home.
Help! Help!
Somebody save me. I was also trying to save y'all. Yeah, one, not y'all.
Stop it. Get some help.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Oh. I see someone. Oh no, I think that was just a beast. If I go free, I'm going to go in there. But I look like crazy like this. Will somebody come save me?
Thank you so much. Very, very nice.
I'm not going in there. Oh,
I love you. Very, very nice. I thank you. I like you.
Bomboka!
I'm going to speed this up because this took too long. I have to save.
Oh, not again.
Because if I keep saving them, they won't keep saving me. Otherwise, I won't even. If everyone like if this game was without capturing, I wouldn't even save anyone. Yeah, I mean if this game was with capturing, I actually can talk. But yeah,
Bomboka!
He's so dumb. I didn't open the door.
Oh no, I hit my leg on the Voda Kata thing.
No.
Oh!
Going to speed again because I yapped too much. Okay. Ooh, what's this gonna go? Oh. Okay. Oh, picture. Nothing there, I think. No, nothing. Let's try. Yeah, I was here, so I'm just going in a circle. I wasn't there, so I'm not going to go in there anymore. I'm just going to go this way. Here.
Oh, not again.
I'm going to save her. At least trying. I'm just going to wait. No! Okay. I escaped! Yes! Okay, that was all, guys. I don't know.
Never.